Imagine a world where machines understand you, not just your voice, but your thoughts, your ideas, your words. This is not a distant reality, but the present thanks to artificial intelligence. Language models like Chatgpt, developed by OpenAI, are at the forefront of this revolution. Let's rewind to June 2020. OpenAI releases the first version of Chatgpt. This AI language model, built on the transformer architecture, is capable of generating human-like text based on the prompts it receives. It serves as a conversational partner, a creative assistant, and even a tutor. The potential is vast, and the boundaries are yet to be defined. Soon, improvements begin to emerge. With each iteration, the model becomes more sophisticated, more nuanced. The developers focus on reducing biases in how Chatgpt responds to different inputs, ensuring that it respects values of fairness and respect. They also work on making the model more reliable, reducing instances where it makes things up. Then comes GPT-3, released in June 2020. It's a giant leap forward. With 175 billion machine learning parameters, it's the largest and most powerful version yet. It can generate impressively human-like text, even completing tasks that it wasn't explicitly trained for. It's a testament to the power of unsupervised learning. Fast forward to GPT 3.5, the current state of the art, released in late 2021. It's not just a bigger model, it's a smarter one. It's better at understanding context, more capable of nuanced conversation, and more reliable in generating accurate information. The developers have also made strides in terms of user control, allowing people to customize the behavior of the AI within broad bounds. Now, it's April 2024. Where do we stand? The journey of Chatgpt is far from over. Newer versions, even more advanced than GPT 3.5, are likely on the horizon. The goal remains the same: to create AI that can understand and generate human language as naturally and accurately as possible. So what have we learned? Firstly, AI language models like Chatgpt have come a long way in a short time. From the first version in 2020 to the highly advanced GPT 3.5, the progress is remarkable. Secondly, the challenges are real. Reducing biases, improving reliability, increasing user control, these are complex issues that require ongoing effort. And finally, the future is exciting. The potential of AI to understand and generate human language is vast, and we're only just scratching the surface. In the world of artificial intelligence, the journey is as important as the destination. The story of Chatgpt is a testament to that. It's a story of progress, of challenges, of potential, a story that continues to unfold.